Okay guys, I got a 2023 Tesla Model 3. I'm just going to show you how to control the climate, the heater. The best way to do it is just press this and you're going to get to the climate screen. You can control the rear or the front. You can turn it off with this button. You can turn it to auto with that or turn it off. Depending on where you want it circulated, you can press these. This is seat warmer or cooler. If it's on red, it's going to be a warmer, and then medium, low, and then this is cooled air, and you can turn it on auto or not. This is the steering wheel. You can do a heated steering wheel, or you can turn it off, and then you can turn on auto as well. This is your windshield wipers. You can turn that on to heat so you can defrost in the winter. You can turn that off. And then this is all for passenger as well. And if you do the dog version, it says climate screen will stay on after you exit. So if you want to keep your dog inside, you can do that and it'll keep your dog nice and ventilated while you're gone and cool. Keep climate mode enabled. Climate will stay on after you leave the car. Will turn off when battery reaches 20%. So you may want to do that if you want to keep the car cool while you're gone. And then also there is a camping mode. It says car will stay on until battery reaches 20%. Sentry mode, security alarm, and walk away lock will be disabled. So that's good when you're camping or out and about. You can also schedule. Car will charge during off-peak hours and precondition, so you can schedule with that. And then this is how you turn the speed up or down. This button right here is the recirculation button. You can turn it on or off. You can turn the AC on or off with that button. This is the rear window defroster right here, front window defroster. Turn those on or off. And then if you go to the rear, you can turn the fan on or off. You can do the seat warmers just by pressing, and then if you want to do them up or down, you can do that as well. Turn them all off if they're all on with that button. So that's how you control that. And we're going to go back here, turn off camp mode. And seat warmer for the passenger side is right there. Let me know if you have any questions, but it is pretty self-explanatory. And again, you can turn the heat up or down just by pressing these buttons. And to go to the actual screen, you just press the number right there. Hopefully this video helped. Please comment if you have any questions, and thanks for watching.